U of T Engineering is the top engineering school in Canada year after year after year. And to be in grad, it's a big achievement. Coming from an immigrant background, to come to the level that I am now, and to the things that I have done, it's quite an achievement. I've done a lot of work with the faculty, with the students, with the alumni. So I've been involved in this capacity, I guess, over the last 10 years. So I had to work on a part-time basis to pay for my schooling. So what I would advise somebody who is coming to university or engineering, it's not only stick to the academics, but also participate in the other side of things, in clubs, volunteer, do things. That's how you become a more well-rounded individual. All the things that I have done is not me as an individual only. There is a team of people, both at the board, at the alumni office, that without them, we wouldn't be able to do not even a small portion of what we are doing.